M22, the GNSS INS high-precision positioning module, is based on Bynav's new 22 nanometers process SoC Alice and have MEMS inertial measurement unit inside. The module reaches the ISO 26262 ASILB functional safety level and supports full constellations and full bands, providing continuous, real-time, and reliable high-precision positioning results. The module is compact and easy to be integrated in various applications. Its main power supply voltage range is 3.15 volts to 3.45 volts, with a recommended 3.3 volts DC power supply. M22 not only supports full constellation, full-frequency GNSS signals and RTK solutions, but also supports L-band, CLAS, B2B, PPP, and E6 has. It utilizes the Bynav real high-precision positioning engine and safe high-performance composite interference suppression technology. With built-in integrity monitoring, the modules have higher fault tolerance and fix rates under complex conditions, effectively addressing challenges such as GNSS signal interference, denial, and multipath. The module can operate stably in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius. If you have higher requirements for operating temperature, please feel free to contact us for more solutions. M22 provides multiple interfaces such as UART, SPI, CAN-FD, and Detect, PPS, and RMII, etc. Different interface combinations can be enabled through software configuration to meet various transmission needs. Among them, the RMII interface can be used for high-speed data transmission at a maximum rate of 100 Mbps, with data integrity ensured. There are 4 UARTs, which all support baud rates of up to 921600, and different UART port combinations can be enabled through software configuration. There are 2 available CAN-FD interfaces, supporting speeds from 500 kbps to 2 Mbps. Additionally, M22 has a SPI slave interface, with a maximum clock frequency of 10 MHz. The modules can be widely applied in fields such as intelligent driving, drones, precision agriculture, surveying and mapping, and intelligent robots. They lay a solid foundation for the rapid deployment of your applications.